So what we're gonna do first is soak the hair, because the best way to put in product is when you have your hair completely damped. Well, that's why I don't really towel dry my hair when I get out the shower, because I like it to be soaking wet. In this case, things were a little different. I have this spray. You can actually find it on my Amazon list. This is so good to use because look how much, I don't know if you can see that. Look how much it sprays in just one shot, instead of just being like What I'm going to use is Bounce Curl's new Moisturizing Balance Leave-In Conditioner. Now I'm going to use this one by itself. She also got this one, which is the Avocado Rose Clump and Defining Cream. But it says not to use both of them together because it's just a little too much. So this time I'm going to use this one, which is the leave-in conditioner, and we'll see how that comes out. I'm also going to be using the gel. So this is the Bounce Curl Gel. I love this, live by this, and this has been working for my curls for so many years. So I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner along with the Bounce Curl Gel. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply the products to my hair. So what I'm going to do real quick, I just like to section off my hair, sometimes in 3, clip that. And what I'm going to do, I have the cream already. Ooh, it feels so soft. Smells so good. So, do both sides. Felt like I put enough cream to do both. So what I'm doing is raking it through my hair. And then I clump them together using the praying hand method. Same on this side. Then I'm going to apply the Bounce Curl Gel just a little bit. What I like to do is my little finger technique. Just get some little twirlies right here. I like to obviously do some finger coils like around my face. We are going to scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Next, I like to do this real fast. So I section my hair in 3 normally. If I'm doing a really quick job, I don't section my hair at all. But I get the best results when I do. So that's why I continue to section my hair off. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. So I don't know about you guys, but I like to put like extra conditioner right here around my crown, because I feel like I find that to be my frizziest like area. So I always like to do extra conditioner around the crown area and gel, just so it doesn't be that frizzy. And then normally I like to finger coil around that area as well. As you see, I'm doing like a really quick finger coil because I don't have time. And I don't like to do my whole hair. I just like to train a couple of my spots that I know I would want to see the finger coils, which are normally in the front. And I gotta do this one. Of course. Gonna apply some gel. I seal it and then I scrunch. Here's how the curls look before diffusing. Fix this little curl here. Next, diffusing. Okay, so now I'm going to take off the diffuser piece, and I am going to use the blow dryer to basically dry the rest of my hair, well, my roots, and it's going to help me accomplish a lot more volume. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So these are the results. I haven't even fluffed, and I got some volume. These are the only 2 products I used to accomplish these beautiful defined curls. twirling and curling, and they're so defined, they're shiny. You saw that I didn't even finger coil a lot of them. So the moisturizing balance, leave-in conditioner, and the gel, that's all you need. Voila!